If you're keto or low carb and you're obsessed with buffalo chicken like I am, you're gonna love these buffalo chicken cheese roll-ups. So you're gonna start with a parchment lined baking sheet and you're gonna put your cheese slices on top of that and bake it in the oven at 375 for 5 to 6 minutes. And then in your bowl, you're gonna make your mixture, which is gonna be shredded chicken, some cream cheese, and Frank's Red Hot sauce. Mix it up until it is fully combined. Then take out your cheese and you're gonna top your mixture on one side of them, and then you're just gonna be able to roll them up really easily because you use parchment paper. You're gonna put them back into the oven for 5 minutes. Guys, these turned out phenomenal. I dipped mine in my homemade ranch, which I already have a recipe posted for that. Guys, these were delicious. You gotta go try them.